Hey everyone, so I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to multiply fractions. So let's get started. Multiplying two fractions is actually quite easy. When you have two just plain old fractions, all you have to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, and then simplify if you need to. So here, if we multiply the numerators, we have 2 times 1 is 2, and then 3 times 5 is 15. And we can't simplify that, so we're done, and that's our answer. And that's why it's pretty easy. But let's see another example where things can get a little more complicated. Sometimes when we multiply fractions, we have different types of fractions. We might have something like this, which is a mixed number, and we can't multiply it the way that it is. We have to change it into an improper fraction first. So a reminder how to change a fraction or a mixed number into an improper fraction is you multiply the whole number by the denominator and then you add the numerator. So for example, this would be 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So this would be 7, and then the denominator stays 4 times 1/2. And then like we said in the last slide, you just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and in this case we end up with 7 over 2, 4 times 2 is 8, and your answer would be 7/8. Again, pretty easy. Now we'll do another example, and in this example, both fractions are mixed numbers, which means we have to convert them both to improper fractions. So let's start with the first one. So we would do 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, so this would be 7/4. Oops. Times, and then 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, but this would be 5/2. And then when we multiply straight across, 7 times 5 is 35, 4 times 2 is 8, and then you might notice in this fraction, we can't leave it the way it is because it's an improper fraction and our numerator is bigger than our denominator. So we need to stop and think, how many times can 8 fit into 35? Well, I know that 8 times 4 is 32, and that's as close as I can get. So that's 4 whole times. And then from 32 to 35 is 3 more over 8. And now this is our final nice answer. So you should try not to leave your answer as an improper fraction and try to change it back into a mixed number. And then we're going to do one more example where I show you a shortcut that I really like to use for simplifying my fractions. All right, so first let's get started by changing this mixed number into an improper fraction like we talked about. So 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, so this fraction will become 15/8. And then this first fraction is just 4/5. That's already fine, so we leave it 4/5. And then we could just multiply straight across, right? 4 times 15 and 5 times 8. But I know that will get kind of big, and I would rather simplify first before I multiply. So I notice that 4 and 8 have a common factor of 4. So I'm going to divide them both by 4. So I would say 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now I've simplified those already. And then if I look at 5 and 15, these also have a common factor. They have a common factor of 5. So I would cross out 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So now instead of multiplying 4 times 15, I can just multiply 1 times 3, and I will get 3. And then 1 times 2 is 2. And now 3/2 for me is much easier to simplify than bigger numbers because I know 2 fits into 3 one time with 1 left over. So my final answer is 1.5. So that's a quick video on how to multiply fractions and mixed numbers with a little shortcut at the end for simplifying before you multiply. Hope that helps.